time to feel, a time to heal. You'll find it deep within. A time to grow, a time to let go. Release the journey to begin.